How to refer friends in Remitly app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can refer friends in Remitly app. For that, you want to open the Remitly application on your device. You can download this from Play Store or App Store. Now, you can simply sign into your account. After that, tap on the Manage option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you have the Refer Friends option. Go ahead and tap on that. From here, you can invite your friends in order to get rewards. Now, there are different ways on how you can share your referral link. You can use WhatsApp, email, messages, or you can also copy your referral link. Once it has been copied, you can head over to any platform such as Messenger, Viber, and then share your link. You can also share the QR code. For that, tap on your QR code option. Your friends can scan this QR code in person with their phone to get started with Remitly. You can share this QR code via link as well. For that, tap on the share link option. You can also tap on the more option. Now, you will be able to refer your friends using any of these applications. After your friends use the referral link to download and install the application and complete their first transaction, you will be able to receive the rewards. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.